For video creators, filmmakers, and independent documentarians, the search for the perfect run-and-gun camera setup is a constant struggle between image quality, physical lens flexibility, and overall kit weight. The Sony RX10 V redefines this balance by condensing a professional cinema camera's internal processing power and a high-end CineZoom lens into a single, compact body. When you look at the video specifications of this camera, it becomes clear that Sony did not treat video as an afterthought. They imported the best features of their highly acclaimed cinema line directly into this hybrid body. Solo creators no longer need to compromise on production value or carry multiple prime lenses to achieve a professional, cinematic aesthetic while shooting in the field. The foundation of the Sony RX10 V's video performance is its ability to record uncropped, full-pixel readout 4K video. Unlike older cameras that crop into the sensor to record high-resolution video, the RX10 V utilizes the entire width of its 1-inch sensor, capturing an abundance of detail that is then downsampled to a pristine 4K file. This results in incredibly sharp footage, rich textures, and a significant reduction in noir and aliasing. For slow-motion enthusiasts, the camera's ability to record 4K at up to 120 frames per second is a game-changer. This allows you to capture action-packed sequences, rushing water, or subtle human movements in liquid smooth, highly detailed slow motion without sacrificing resolution or changing your field of view. Color depth and grading flexibility have also been elevated to meet professional industry standards. The Sony RX10 V records in 10-bit 4:2:2 internally, which represents a massive increase in color information compared to older 8-bit formats. This extra data is crucial when shooting in log profiles, particularly Log3, as it allows you to push and pull your colors, shadows, and highlights during the color grading process without experiencing ugly color banding or digital artifacts in smooth gradients like skies. If you prefer a faster workflow that bypasses the need for heavy color grading, the camera includes Sony's coveted S-Cinetone profile. S-Cinetone delivers beautiful, natural skin tones, soft highlight roll-off, and rich, cinematic colors straight out of the camera, allowing you to deliver finished videos with minimal turnaround time. One of the most physically liberating aspects of shooting video with the Sony RX10 V is the integration of its optical design with advanced electronic assist features. The lens features a physical, declickable aperture ring, which allows videographers to make smooth, silent iris adjustments while recording without introducing any clicking noises or sudden exposure jumps into the audio track. To manage exposure in bright outdoor conditions, the camera includes a built-in electronic variable ND filter, or allows for easy attachment of 72mm filters to the front thread. This ensures you can maintain a shallow depth of field and a cinematic 180-degree shutter angle, even when shooting under direct, harsh midday sunlight. Audio is equally well supported on the Sony RX10 V, featuring dedicated 3.5mm input and output jacks for external microphones and monitoring. However, the true innovation is the multi-interface shoe on top of the camera, which supports a direct digital audio interface. When paired with compatible Sony digital microphones, the audio signal is transmitted digitally directly into the camera's processor, bypassing noisy analog preamps and delivering incredibly clean, high-fidelity sound. This digital pathway, combined with the camera's near-silent internal focusing motors and zoom actuators, ensures that your audio tracks remain free from unwanted mechanical hums or operational noises. For solo creators who operate without a dedicated camera crew, the Sony RX10 V introduces revolutionary AI-driven auto framing. This feature utilizes the camera's wide-angle 4K sensor readout and advanced subject recognition algorithms to automatically crop the frame and track your movements. As you move around a scene, the camera smoothly pans and adjusts the crop to keep you perfectly positioned, creating the illusion that you have a professional camera operator following your every move. When combined with the incredibly smooth active mode image stabilization, which blends optical stabilization with electronic correction, you can capture incredibly smooth, fluid B-roll footage while walking, making the camera an absolute powerhouse for travel vlogging and run-and-gun documentary filmmaking.